If you want to be skilled, if you want to learn any kind of skill, so you need to go through any process. Because when you are gonna learn any kind of skill, there is a process, there is a system. If you don't go through this process, 100% you are not gonna learn this skill. You won't be able to be a skillful person. Let me give you an example, because it has been spoken by Mr. Josh Waitzkin, who is the author of The Art of Living, where he shared his all stories. He told that when he became the chess player, world champion of the chess player, so he did not become like this. What he used to do, he used to take two pieces from the chess and he used to make them go against each other. Like he used to take the pawn and he used to make pawn against king, and whatever moves used to be done, he used to practice. So what he did, he wanted to reach macro, but he started from the micro. Because when you want to reach the macro, you need to start from the micro. If I talk about my training center, so in my training center, I also train the people like this. If people want to speak English fluently and flawlessly, what do? I just start from the scratch. I make them start from the scratch. What I make them do? I make them attend the conversation class. First I make them speak, then they get accustomed to speaking. So whatever I teach them, I directly get them conversation class. It is the beginning of these students. From the beginning they start speaking, then they get the conversation class. Then in meanwhile, this conversation class converts into extempore. There we get them topic they have to speak. It's not a GD. We give suppose 50 students are there, so we give them 50 topics on the spot. Instantly they have to speak, because we divide these 50 people into 3 groups. Then after that, suppose after 15-20 days, when that conversation class converts into extempore, then we get them group discussion, and every day main class is going on. So what happens? A student does 3 sorts of practice every day, even more than 3. Attending the conversation class, attending the main session, attending the extempore, doing the exercise, working at home, because we get them homework also. So what happens in this way? The guy who keeps attending the session learns more, and in this way the guy builds up its confidence. So how the guy reaches the macro? When the guy starts from micro. And when you reach macro, so you cannot reach macro instantly. You need to practice, you need to sharpen your skills, you need to be skillful. And for learning any skill, you need to go through any process, and it is really important. So if you really feel that whenever you want to learn something in your life, you want to be skilled in that field, so you need to go through micro, you need to go through any process, then you can reach the macro. Because the depth of every topic is more than your breadth. So I feel that depth is important. When you go deeper, then you understand what is the skill and you become skillful. So if you feel that whenever you want to be skillful, whenever you want to learn lots of skills, you need to start from the scratch. Thank you guys for listening to me. Have a nice time ahead.